Welcome to the comparison video of the OnePlus 9 and the OnePlus 9 Pro. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. So let's begin the comparison of the OnePlus 9 and the OnePlus 9 Pro. So let's begin the comparison with the body. The weight of OnePlus 9 is 183 grams, whereas the weight for OnePlus 9 Pro is 197 grams. Both the phones are IP68 dust and water resistant. Coming to the build, the glass front of OnePlus 9 is Gorilla Glass 5 and the glass back is also Gorilla Glass 5, but it has a plastic frame. Coming to the build of OnePlus 9 Pro, it also has a Gorilla Glass 5 glass front and the glass back is also Gorilla Glass 5, but it has an aluminium frame. Now coming to the battery, the OnePlus 9 has a 4500 mAh battery, whereas the OnePlus 9 Pro has a 4500 mAh battery too. But the OnePlus 9 comes with a 15 watt fast charging, whereas the OnePlus 9 Pro comes with a 50 watt fast charging. Both of them are USB Type-C 3.1. Coming to the display of OnePlus 9, it has a Fluid AMOLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate and 1100 nits, whereas the OnePlus 9 Pro has a LTPO Fluid 2 AMOLED screen along with 120Hz refresh rate and 1300 nits. Coming to the screen size, it is 6.55 inches, roughly 87.6% screen to body ratio, whereas the OnePlus 9 Pro is 6.7 inches and it has a screen to body ratio of 90.3%. Coming to the PPI density, the OnePlus 9 has a 402 PPI density, whereas the OnePlus 9 Pro has a 525 PPI density. Coming to the processor, now the OnePlus 9 is running on Android 11 Oxygen OS, whereas the 9 Pro is also running on Android 11 Oxygen OS. Both of them come with the same Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor. Both of them are again octa-core processors with Kryo 680 technology, and they both have the GPU of Adreno 660. So basically there's no difference in the processor of both of them. Now coming to the camera, the rear camera of OnePlus 9 is coming with 48 megapixel of wide lens with omnidirectional PDAF and 50 megapixel ultra wide lens and a 2 megapixel of depth lens. Coming to the OnePlus 9 Pro, again it has the same 48 megapixel wide lens along with omnidirectional PDAF, however there is a laser AF and optical image stabilization. It also has the same 50 megapixel ultra wide lens and a 2 megapixel depth lens. The only difference is the OnePlus 9 Pro also comes with a 8 megapixel telephoto lens. Now coming to the front camera, the OnePlus 9 has a 16 megapixel front camera, whereas the 9 Pro also has the same 16 megapixel front camera. Both of them are supporting the video of 4K at 30 and 60 fps, whereas the 9 Pro has an additional 120 fps recording setting as well. Now coming to the memory of OnePlus 9, it comes with a 8GB RAM and 128GB variant along with a 12GB RAM and 256GB variant. Same goes for the OnePlus 9 Pro as well. So both of them are coming in the same variant. Now finally coming to the price, the OnePlus 9, the base variant starts with 49,999 price for the 8GB variant and the 12GB variant costs you 54,999. Now coming to the 9 Pro, the base variant starts at 64,999, which is the 8GB variant, and the 12GB variant starts at 69,999. Thank you for watching.